Hello everyone, welcome back to our plant growing series. So today we'll go over all the different types of anubias that we've been growing. It's been a lot of fun. We've been, experiencing some stuff, what works, what doesn't work. So here we have Coprophilia. These are very beautiful plants. They actually grow in like a red tint. I don't know, it's pretty cool, but we've been growing these in aquarium shrimp soil. So if you go to our Amazon storefront, you guys can purchase that on Amazon. It's really good. We found better results than biostratum aqua soil. We found that these strive in this aquarium's shrimp soil. Here we have Godzilla anubias. Same thing. These are grown in aquarium shrimp soil. And again, we've seen a really good growth with this technique. I'm not quite sure what type of anubias these are. Again, Tyler's growing the anubias. I know there's a mixture of Godzilla anubias in here, but again, we're using shrimp soil, and it's been thriving. You guys will see that here we're actually using fluval biostratum and stratum. And for these, again, these are larger size anubias. These are the anubias round leaf. We've potted all the anubias in like a plant pot, just so the plant doesn't fall down, just because they're quite big. So here's the pot that we used to plant them. You'll see in the next couple clips, you'll see example. I think in this clip you see that little pot at the bottom. You just kind of shove that into the soil, and again, just to keep the plant in place. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I think we're going to be talking about different types of fertilizer in the next video, so I'll see you guys next week.